Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2126, indicates an issue with the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B, which directly relates to the throttle position, TP sensor E. This code is specifically triggered when the output voltage from the APP sensor B falls outside a predetermined range defined by the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM. The APP sensor is crucial for translating the position of the accelerator pedal into an electrical signal that the PCM utilizes to manage the engine's throttle response effectively. You will often find this sensor integrated within the accelerator pedal module, which is typically located near the driver's footwell area. Any abnormalities in the APP sensor's output can lead to poor throttle response and potentially unsafe driving conditions. Hence, it's vital to address this issue promptly. The error represented by DTC P2126 revolves around the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B, specifically its output voltage. This sensor is integral for the engine's throttle response, providing feedback to the PCM about the accelerator pedal's position. Its physical location is typically found in the accelerator pedal module, which resides within the driver's footwell area. When the PCM detects that the APP sensor B voltage either exceeds 2.62 volts or drops below 0.19 volts, it registers this as an abnormality, leading to the storage of DTC P2126. It's imperative to grasp that the accuracy of this sensor directly affects engine performance and safety. As a result, any malfunction can significantly compromise vehicle responsiveness. The probable causes for DTC P2126 range from issues within the APP sensor itself to potential problems in the wiring or connections associated with the sensor. A faulty APP sensor can manifest itself as output voltages that fall outside the expected range, directly resulting in the DTC. Wiring issues could involve frayed, corroded, or broken connections, either at the sensor or along the circuit paths, leading to disrupted signals. Additionally, while less common, a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, could also misinterpret the APP sensor's signals, causing it to mistakenly flag this DTC. Each of these components plays a vital role in the system's overall functionality, so thorough diagnostics and inspections of these elements are essential. When DTC P2126 is triggered, symptoms may include poor throttle response, where the vehicle fails to accelerate as expected when the accelerator is pressed. Additionally, the check engine light on the dashboard may illuminate, indicating a fault within the engine management system. Drivers may also notice unresponsiveness in the accelerator pedal, leading to a frustrating driving experience. These symptoms are direct consequences of the communication breakdown between the APP sensor and the PCM. Therefore, any observable behaviors in the vehicle's acceleration performance should prompt an immediate inspection for this DTC to ensure safety and functionality. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P2126 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, which is essential for activating the onboard diagnostic system. Then, utilizing a Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool, you must check the APP sensor B voltage. The HDS will display the voltage value being output by the APP sensor. If this value is less than 0.19 volts or exceeds 2.62 volts, it confirms that the failure is indeed duplicated. This test is critical because it helps isolate the root of the problem, allowing for further testing of either the sensor or associated wiring, as indicated by the results. Keeping a close eye on these voltage readouts is crucial for successful diagnostics. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P2126, first, disconnect the APP sensor 6P connector to prepare for further testing. Next, using a jumper wire, connect terminals number 1 and number 3. This action artificially simulates the signal from the APP sensor. Subsequently, turn the vehicle to the on mode and check the HDS for the APP sensor B voltage. Under normal conditions, this voltage should be more than 0.23 volts. If this output is achieved, it signifies that the accelerator pedal module may be at fault. Conversely, if the voltage is abnormal, it points to other related components that may require further inspection, guiding the technician in the next steps. The third troubleshooting step involves further inspection of the APP sensor 6P connector. This step is crucial as it ensures that all connections are intact and functional. Initially, the APP sensor connector should be disconnected to facilitate a clean test. During this phase, you will test the voltage output of the sensor under ignition, IG mode. In this scenario, normal conditions dictate that you should observe an output voltage of around 5.0 volts. If this voltage is present, it indicates that the accelerator pedal module is likely malfunctioning. However, an abnormal output suggests that either the wiring or other related components are contributing to the fault seen in DTC P2126. The fourth troubleshooting step focuses on the circuits associated with the APP sensor, specifically VCC5, APS2, and SG5. Before performing this inspection, disconnect the PCM connector and jump the service check system SCS line using the HDS. It is important to wait for more than a minute after doing this. Subsequently, using the disconnection of the 6P connector and the 50P PCM connector, you will inspect for open wire conditions. Under normal operation, there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance in these circuits. If resistance readings indicate open circuits, further investigation is warranted to identify breaks or disconnections in the wiring harness. Testing these circuit conditions ensures that the electrical signals from the APP sensor to the PCM are delivering proper data for smooth vehicle operation. Finally, the last step in troubleshooting DTC P2126 is to perform an inspection of the PCM itself. This step is initiated only if previous tests confirmed that all other inspection items were normal. A flawed PCM can directly impact its ability to correctly interpret signals from the APP sensor, which leads to the error code being registered. During this inspection, technicians look for any signs of internal failure within the PCM, which may require replacement. If the other components were functioning as intended and the PCM is suspected of malfunctioning, this step will ideally lead to a definitive diagnosis. Ultimately, diagnosing the PCM can finalize the troubleshooting process. After completing all previous troubleshooting steps, the final repair verification must take place to ensure that DTC P2126 no longer triggers and that the system operates normally. Start by carefully reassembling all components that were previously disconnected or opened during the inspection process. Once everything is securely put back together, conduct a comprehensive road test to observe the vehicle's throttle response and monitor performance. It is crucial to keep an eye on the HDS to ensure that the DTC does not reappear during this testing phase. Successful verification not only confirms the repair, but also gives peace of mind that the vehicle is returning to its optimal functioning state. Preventive maintenance actions can go a long way in avoiding DTC P2126 in the future. Regular checks of the APP sensor should be scheduled to ensure accurate readings over time. Additionally, periodic inspection of the wiring and connectors associated with the accelerator pedal position sensor can help spot potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedules is also essential, as servicing other engine components may inadvertently affect the APP sensor's performance. A proactive stance on maintenance not only keeps the vehicle functioning properly, but also enhances overall safety and reliability. In summary, understanding the role of the accelerator pedal position APP sensor B in the Honda Civic's throttle control system is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. The DTC P1226 points to abnormalities within this sensor or its related components, which can significantly impact engine performance. Regular vehicle maintenance can prevent issues from arising, while ensuring timely repairs can mitigate risks associated with unresponsive throttle response. Conducting thorough troubleshooting, systematically addressing each component involved, leads to effective identification and resolution of the issue at hand. Keeping these elements in mind will ensure that the vehicle remains safe, responsive, and enjoyable to drive. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.